Lesson 55. Find each sum or difference. So we've got 1/2 plus 1/8. Raise your hand if you can tell me the least common denominator 2 and 8 go into. Josie, what do you think? It is 8. All right, so I need to rewrite this first fraction as something over 8. So raise your hand, someone different, and tell me, what do I multiply by to go from 2 to 8, Piper?
4.
So I'm multiplying this by 4 over 4, which is really equal to 1, so this is legal math, okay? And this gives me 4 in the numerator. 4/8 is the same thing as 1/2, okay? That would reduce 1/2, but leave it as 4/8 because we need common denominators. And then I'm going to rewrite 3/8 exactly the same. Now I can add those numerators together. 4 plus 3 is 7. And remember, we only add the numerators when we're adding fractions. Denominator stays the same, so I get 7/8. All right, let's try 1/2 minus 1/6. So I am going to rewrite the 2, the 1/2 one, because they both go into what, everybody?
6.
Okay, they both go into 6, so I need to rewrite this as something over 6. Marcus, what should I multiply this by?
3.
Yeah, 3 over 3, because that would give me 6. So then in the top, 3 times 1 is 3. So 3/6 is the same as 1/2. And I'm going to subtract 1/6. So I rewrite 1/6, keep it exactly the same. Henry, what do we get?
2.
Exactly. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Don't change the denominator. And then divide each of these by 2, because it reduces now to 1/3, and you always want to reduce. All right, 3/8 plus 1/4. And so, Eli, what's the smallest number 8 and 4 go into? Even smaller. But does 8 go into 4? No. What do you think, Emmy? 8. There you go. So I'm going to rewrite 3/8 exactly the same. But I'm going to change 1/4, so it's over 8. Macy, what should I multiply this by?
2.
Yep, I have to multiply this by 2 over 2, which you can do in your head. All right, that'd be 8, and then in the top, 1 times 2 is 2. So again, 2/8 is the same as 1/4. Now I'm going to add these together, and Chanel, what do I get when I add these together? You get 5/8. Good job. All right, and that one is done because we can't reduce. All right, Arlo, what's the smallest number 4 and 8 go into? It is 8. So I'm going to put this guy over 8. All right. And so, Benny, what should I multiply this by?
2.
Yep, 2 over 2, because that would give me 8. So 2 times 3 here is 6. So I rewrote 6/8 is the same thing as 3/4. And then I'm going to subtract 3/8. I rewrite that exactly the same. And Richard, what would 6/8 minus 3/8 be? Yep, it would be 3/8. Only subtract the 6 minus 3. All right, and that one is done. Let's try some